we have to decide if our statement is true or false. We have here compound statement because our statement has two single statements. First is 6 equals 3 plus 3. This is our first single statement because it has single idea. We can write that this is our P. And next simple statement is 8 is less than square root of 69. This is our second simple statement because it has single idea. This is our Q. And these two statements are put together and we have word and represent conjunction. And we use for conjunction symbol this. So we have P and Q. Because we have here conjunction statement and we know that conjunction statement is true only when both statements are true. So P must be true and Q must be true to be true this whole statement. So P represents 6 equals 3 plus 3. So P is true, of course. And we have Q is 8 is less than square root of 69. Square root of 69 is approximately 8.3. So 8 is less than 8.3. So Q statement is true. Because both statements are true, so our conjunction P and Q is true. This is my solution.